Look mga paps, this is a washer and dryer. Keep running but it won't drain. So look what I found. Ayan, I found socks inside the drain line. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world mga pap. This is Papa again. And if you can see, there's a washer and dryer. And the problem, this is water is not draining. So yan, let's open it. And yan, the water is not draining. So we'll start to fix it. First thing we can do is remove that cover. Ayan, cover is out. And also get the vacuum, so if the water is spill, we can vacuum it. And the most important thing is turn off the breaker first before you touch the electrical or anything. So yan, first yung clamp, remove the clamp, both clamp, and also the connection. Ayan mga paps. So we'll start to fix mga paps. Let's go. Ayan, we need to remove the hose, and yeah, there's a socks inside the drain line. That's why it's not draining. Ayan mga paps. Always a common problem when the washer is not draining is there's a blocking inside the drain line. So ayan. So already installed and check if the motor is not damaged. So yan, we'll set it to test the, okay. So yan, water is filling, and we will go to the final spin. Yan, final spin. So it's like draining after. So we're gonna see what happened if the motor is not damaged, and we'll see mga paps.
A few inches later.
So we will gonna check now if the water is already drained after the cycle. So yan mga paps, it's already drained, so the motor is not damaged as I said. So we will gonna check for another test. We will gonna turn on again the water, fill the water, and will drain after a few minutes. So yan mga paps, so this is another project success again, ang ating fixing washer dryer not draining. So yan mga paps, may hindi pa naka-subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, Apa and Papa's Vlog, and please click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga upload pa nating video. So yan, thank you very much for watching, and I love you all. Bye-bye.